When you ask quite a number of people why they want to be called an HR professional, what you hear is, I love people. But then, HR is much more than that. HR is actually about understanding the principles and how to apply this not only to the organization but in how to manage the people who are the assets of an organization. When people come for interviews and I go out for training, I see a lot of HR professionals that have certifications but they can't speak HR language. You cannot be in a trade and not understand the path of the truth. And that's the fact that we need to marry theory with practical. So we took a decision one day and said, what is it that we can do differently? And that is why we came up with the HR for Beginners Transition Program, especially for people that want to transition into HR, people that want to know more about HR, and then even for the existing HR professionals that want to move beyond theory and be able to practicalize this in the organization. The HR Beginners course is actually a 7-week program where we take you through all the different modules that we feel people that are just transitioning into HR should know about. So when you join this particular program, you would understand the principles and fundamentals not only of recruitment, you also understand workplace policies you should be able to develop, formulate, and also implement HR strategies that will impact the way you manage people in the organization. And above all, we're going to meet with like-minded people that you can build a relationship with. Remember, your network is also your network. So kindly join the next one.